Hello Ravi, how are
Hello,
you?
sir. I'm good.
Good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you,
Yeah,
sir.
very good, very good. So first of all, heartiest congratulations for achieving the NEBOSH International General Certificate with distinction score. Okay. Tell me your journey since the start of your admissions until today. After the pass, you're coming here to get your certificate rewarded. Okay, so I'll give you the certificates, okay, in very secure manner. So tell me, आराम से बताओ कि आप क्या करते हो? How did you inspire for doing the NEBOSH IGC course, and how did you find the whole process of the 3 years Life Safe Academy? Everything, please.
Thank you, sir. It is my pleasure to share the experience what I have got it through 3 years Life Safe Academy and after completing the NEBOSH IGC. Basically, I'm Rabiratan Samanta and I initially started my professional journey with Tata Consultancy Services as administration and facilities.
Okay.
Later on, I have joined BASF Nunems, one of the world's largest chemical producer. Nunems brand under the BASF is a basically agriculture-based company into R&D of vegetable seeds and marketing and sales. So my professional journey in the EHS started with onboarding into BASF. And it was very enriching and it was very professional, and since I do not have any formal educational background with related to EHS, then it is my boss Harsh Chabra who has actually inspired me to do a certification in EHS. Then I was actually looking out for the institutes which are the best institutes, which are the best courses in terms of where I can grow my career and both professionally and personally. So later on, I was searching with the NEBOSH what are the best institutes. But by the time I have already transferred to Bangalore, and 3 years Life Safe Academy is the first institute which is popping up in Google, I must say. So with 5-star ratings, it is one of the best institute what I found. Then I was taking some time to come to the institute. Later on, my wife said that no, you cannot take so much of time in pursuing this. So immediately we decided that one day we will visit the 3 years Life Academy and try to understand what are the course structure, what is the process of the certification and all. So Mr. Shantanu Das, actually the first point of person who has met me in the institute, and he explained very beautifully the course structure, the complete methodology, the program structure, how the program is going to take place, how the exam is going to take place, then what are the modules of the course and everything. Very beautifully explained, and it inspired me that yes, I can do this, and I was confident. He made me confident actually. Then of course I have the concepts in my mind ready, but when we try to put it theoretically on the paper, it becomes difficult. So that became very easy. I would especially thank Mr. Suraj Jacobs, my tutor, who has made this journey very seamless, very professionally, and his expertise, the concepts, the program structure was very practical, very theoretical. It's a blend of all things. That made the course understand it very easy, and it made me really go through the course very seamless, and of course I have come out with the flying colors, with the distinction. And yes, that was my very good experience with the 3 years Life Safe Academy, and my tutor Mr. Suraj Jacob, and all the coordinators who has helped me in achieving this wonderful results,
including your wife also.
Yes, of course, not to forget my wife, because she is the one who actually forced me to come to the institute and take all the the structure and all, try to understand the course. She was very helpful. It was late night classes, basically from evening 7 to night 12, night 11. So she used to prepare the lunch and she used to serve on the table. I used to have my dinner and had the classes. So
her
yes,
support is also in your.
Yes, very very supportive.
Not only for the NEBOSH, for your
Complete
personal
journey.
life. Yeah.
Complete journey. Yes.
So
Yes.
I would like to know, when your boss inspired you to get this NEBOSH certificate, okay? What was the prior mindset you had it about the NEBOSH IGC course.
Okay, all right. NEBOSH, initially when I joined EHS, I was only applying my practical knowledge. I don't have any theoretical knowledge because I don't have any certificate. So whatever I have learned from my bosses, from my peers, I have been applying those. And I was successful enough, for sure. But of course, when you have the degree in paper, that holds a different special place in anyone's career professionally. So my boss, when he said that now I think you should get some certification in EHS, then he is the one who suggested that we have many courses, of course, we have state diploma, we have many things, but for you I think now NEBOSH is going to help out immediately. So it was his suggestion that from him I get to know about the NEBOSH. Then I started a little bit of R&D in the internet about the NEBOSH. Then I started a little bit R&D about what are the best institutes. I have seen institutes in Hyderabad also, I have seen institutes in Bangalore also, but I feel Bangalore is more better approachable for me because I work in Bangalore. And then of course in the Google, when we try to search about the NEBOSH courses in Bangalore, 3S Life Safe Akademie is the one which is going to pop up on the top. So from there then we decided that yes, let's approach the 3S Life Safe Akademie. Then we both visited and got on this structure.
People saying that the NEBOSH IGC course seems to be very tough market. In the market, many people who have not been witnessed this curriculum before they wanted to have this course. So, what you wanted to communicate to those people, like I see the people who have been engineering graduate, the people been very well qualified people also. They're working in a good organization as well. But they get afraid of doing the NEBOSH IGC. Do you feel this so much of need to be afraid for such a course of NEBOSH IGC? What is your viewpoint?
In my view, NEBOSH IGC is designed specially for the professionals who are trying to seek some expertise in terms of EHS. So the course structure I would say is not at all tough. It seems to be tough, but it is actually not tough. You apply your practical knowledge, you apply your theoretical knowledge, you listen to the classes of the instructor, you do your homeworks, you do your assignments on time, try to understand the concepts, get your doubts cleared. Then NEBOSH IGC is definitely not a tough course at all. It is going to be very seamless when you read your concepts properly, when you understand your concepts properly, when you apply your concepts practically. So this becomes very, very easy to crack this NEBOSH IGC in first attempt. So I don't feel any difficulty.
And that too with the distinction also.
That too with distinction also.
You was not directly to the EHS.
Obviously.
And then you could get this.
I am basically not from EHS background. When I can apply my knowledge and apply my learning skills, apply my instructor's knowledge and applying into the examinations, going through the education process, then definitely this is not a tough at all. It is going to be very easy.
Because you don't study anything subject which is a tough like physics, chemistry, mathematics. It's a conceptual subjects and very practical. The concepts what we get to learn in generally in safety and in NEBOSH IGC are very practical. So we see in daily life. So just you have to put it on paper perfectly. So that is the only. So
NEBOSH is definitely not a tough subject.
Not. So you tell to the world, you are saying to the world that NEBOSH is not tough. Just witness this. Don't have the mindset of that NEBOSH is very tough.
Very tough, yes.
It's a very crash course. It's a very short duration of the course. Anybody can do this course who has a bit knowledge and having some thought process. You can apply and bit knowledge of reading, writing, is English skill.
English skills. Yes.
That is a good enough.
That's a good enough.
Even the people from the intermediate level, every people from any stream of science, arts, commerce, engineering, post PG, postgraduate students. Anybody can do this course.
Yes.
And this course is made for everyone, rather. Not only for the EHS, rather, as you said, like you work for the facility. So facility, the job profile of the facility manager, where you need to ensure all the needful workplace for the safety and the health for all the employees in the organization.
Here, one more important thing is your EHS concepts become really important now in the today's world is EHS is not just the EHS officers or EHS managers' job. It is everybody's responsibility in the organization.
Correct.
Be it a safety officer, be it a EHS manager, safety manager, or it could be administration facilities, it could be housekeeping, it could be security. Safety is everybody's responsibility in the organization. It is not that two people in the organization is driving the safety culture.
Exactly.
It is the complete team of people working in the organization who needs to drive the safety culture.
Yes. Very right. Yes. Now, tell me, how did you enjoy the open book pattern of the scenario-based examinations? Okay.
Yes. So, NEBOSH, the concept of NEBOSH is, I must say, is very good in terms of open book examination. Somewhere it gives confidence that yes, पास तो हो जाएंगे. ओपन बुक एग्जामिनेशन है, पास तो हो जाएंगे क्योंकि वी कैन रिफर आवर क्लास नोट्स, स्टडी मटेरियल, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, वी कैन रेफर दोस कॉन्सेप्ट्स. So it is one of the good method of examination, I would say, rather than our typical traditional method of closed book examination where you sit in front of a camera, where you sit in front of an invigilator. So that becomes fear in mind, another level of fear in mind.
Something you memorized, you mucked up, okay, yes, but you forget that particular day.
Yes, exactly.
But this is not a memory-based exam.
It is not memory-based exam. This is purely your application of your practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge.
Exactly.
So open books examination, I would say thumbs up. It's one of the good way of examination. It gives confidence in the students.
Very good. Yes, good. So yeah. I'm having your certificate here. So just handing over to you. You just unveil yourself, okay? Or sure. You can call your wife to come and unveil your certificate. Yeah, please come, unveil it. Please come. You came. I remember you that you came for the admission during admission also, and again you are coming to collect his certificate. Okay, so please unveil yourself. Okay.
It was her wish that if I get a distinction, then she will not collect the certificate.
Very good. Very nice. Super. So this is a congratulation letter from our institute. Okay, making you congratulated. And this is your main parchment certificate, NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. This is to certify that Rabiratan Samanta was awarded this qualification with the distinction. Superb. Mind blowing. Okay. On 25th of April 2025. Okay. So have this certificate with you, and this is a beautiful file.
Yes.
And we have given you course completion certificate from the 3 years. You can put many other valuable certificates in this file. So this is the handing over your property in your hand. Okay. Both of you please come. Yeah, please. Okay. Yeah, you can cover it here. Yeah.
This is very beautiful.
How do you feel about this?
First of all, this gives a feeling of convocation. Because in my degree also I have never received such a beautiful way of receiving the certificate.
Okay.
So this is very beautiful. Appreciation letter, the completion certificate is beautiful, and yes, and this is a certificate of completion. All the certificates look very beautiful, and definitely I am going to place a copy of this in my workspace.
Okay, very good. So have this.
It is always inspiring.
The cover is also so designed. You will not going to throw it.
No, definitely not.
It is all valuable. You can securely keep your certificates and valuable certificates. Okay. When you carry holding it, that will give you more power within yourself.
This is one of the very good initiative, I must say.
So this is the exclusive method of the 3 years actually.
Very nice.
Yeah. So the start you do the admissions, and then once you receive this certificate, the feeling of wow, okay, there is something, because NEBOSH means something great achievements, okay, and something if you have not been rewarded in the very wow feeling of the weightage, okay, probably if I'm sending the certificate in the just giving you open certificate, probably weightage got degraded, okay, so I'm giving you in a very appropriate way, secure way, okay. This is the special process of the creation.
This is wonderful.
Everyone receive this certificate. That's fine, okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, and I'm looking forward for your further progressive of your career. Okay.
Definitely.
God bless you, great success. Okay. Always ensure that as you have been performed very well in the distinction score in the IGC, looking forward to add on the more valuable certifications in the futures. What is the benefit of having this certificate? I'll tell you. You are well qualified, you have all the suitable educational qualifications. What actually as a professional person should do, they should keep adding the ornaments.
Okay.
This is your one ornaments.
Correct.
This is ornaments. It is adding to your profile, and now to have the more progressive and successful career ahead, the objective to your life to keep adding the ornaments to your profile, adding up the all valuable prestigious certificates, which will increase the weightage of your profile the moment you apply for any good employer. Okay. So looking your all set of the curriculum and your profile, it should get attracted. Employer should get attracted on yours. So keep adding up the more and more valuable ornaments. Okay.
I really agree with you. I must acknowledge that yes, we must keep learning. Life is all about learning till the end of our life.
Correct.
So keep on learning things. Keep on get your certifications. Try to improve professionally and both personally. This will really going to help in the entire life.
Yes. And another which I tell everyone, including my kids also, always be a performing professional person.
Correct.
PPP.
PPP.
Performing professional person also. That means when you perform, that means you are asset to your organizations.
Correct.
When you perform, as the organization is going to secure you.
Correct.
When you perform means you are not having, organization is not going to put you a burden on you. So you will be free from your mental stress.
Correct.
When you perform, the organization will keep increasing your whatever the needs and the perks, salaries will be keep increasing. So only way out to live a happy life, to be a performer. Okay. Yeah, so good, Rabiratan, and I wish you once again collectively from the Life Safe Akademie team, from the behalf of Vandana ma'am and everyone, that, and Shantanu is not there today. Today he's been in Calcutta.
Yes.
Yeah, so on his behalf also, I wish you good luck. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anything you want to know from our side?
The only thing is wow, good, and I would recommend that keep doing your certifications. Life Safe Akademie is one of the best institutes, I must say. And yes, if you're planning to do some certifications in EHS, definitely this institute you can look upon.
Yes.
So with that note, I must say thank you for everything, sir.
Look forward sometime, let us say maybe in 2026 onwards, for that ID. Level
Yes.
6, okay?
Definitely, I'll look forward for my
Explore
idea
it,
because,
explore it, make a research, do it, okay? Thank you.
3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency. 3 years empowering, 3 years safety, 3 years excellency.